Welcome to the channel. If you are preparing for CKA, CKD or CKS exam, you have come to the right place. We have enough high quality content, hands-on lab and practice question to help score the best. We have received an incredible amount of love and positive feedback from the learner around the world. You can check out our success story on neokloud.in to see how students have benefit. To get most of this channel, I highly recommend following the playlist in order or visiting neokloud.in where all learning resources organized topic wise. In today's video, we'll discuss custom resource definition. Although we have already covered CRD along with the concept in one of our playlist video. The topic continues to be very important for latest CK and CKE and CK exam. So we are revisiting it and some focused approach. The practice question link for this session will be available in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So make to organize this website and .in and this question which is in the comment is just first important step which to the in excitement or by mistake we forgot which that contact. So how to switch? There is a terminal, so you can just click terminal and just paste is are in the right corner. Now check if the certificate manager app is deployed in your cluster. List all the custom resource definition related to the cert manager and save them to file name neo in your home directory. Use kubectl with the default output format, so there is need or known format with script or something. So using kubectl, extract the documentation for the and field of the certificate custom. Save this documentation as you are allowed to use any output format that kubectl. So first this is not installed, so you can just copy, and those who can't able to the previous video, so you can just write it down, copy to controller. This was the part of questions. No need to worry now. So the question is list all the custom resource definition related to the cert manager. It is already mentioned, just kubectl it's CRD keep cert manager. So you will find everywhere cert manager. So just get this output in whatever told this file. So if there is a directory, so you need to first check whether the directories exist or not, then you can create. Otherwise just this is a redirect, this is the redirect, and if you double then this will append, but we need to put it here. So now just cat it so that you can directly check for well done. This our part is completed. I insist you should attempt all, because if you done partially, so you have a probability to get few marks or some step marks which can save if very less number is required to pass. Now documents, using extract the documentation for the subject field. So here we need to get the document. So what is, I'll control L so that I'll get little big window. Now kubectl use explain command, then certificate custom resource, just keep it this here certificate. So better I will copy this dot, so you will find here. Now here documents subject is there, just subject field, need subject. Now subject, so this information we have to take, just again redirect it to particular this file, and now cat also. Well done, we have done our question. So whenever you find this type of question, you attempt first because of particular things, so it's should give means much priority, so that a tiny step could be achieved in your examination. So tip 1 that you should practice in a lesser wind. There are a tips and tricks video. You should go before attempting the examination. You should go our tips and tricks video. I will just comment it in. So thank you so much for your love and support. We'll meet in the next question, and this would be the updated question for the CA examination practice.